this is really fast. Nobody else can set up a house in 3 hours.
You deliver it and you unfold it and you've got a house, as you can see now.
This was the most efficient and cost-effective solution in conjunction with the fact that it was high quality.
722 square feet of bright living space, a full kitchen with all electric appliances, a modern bathroom with plenty of cabinetry, and 2 bedrooms that fit queen beds with plenty of closet space. High-performance insulation and a 2-zone HVAC system provide year-round comfort, delivered to you and ready to enjoy.
What problems were you and your husband trying to solve when you started looking for a solution like this?
The cost to stick build exceeds what we were able to get this for. The fact that it came with all the appliances and the refrigerator and the dishwasher and a washing machine and dryer, everything. It was a no-brainer at that point.
As a general contractor, I'm always estimating these kind of projects, and this is the cheapest option. And cheapest doesn't mean bad. When you get inside this, you see quality. It's tough, so it's nothing comparable to wood sticks by far.
Well, the first thing that struck me was the ceiling height and the sense of space that you got from a 9.5-foot ceiling. We have in our regular home 10-foot ceilings, and the space that we are able to entertain in is much bigger than it actually looks. So that was impressive. In addition to the quality of the materials that were used, both the walls, the flooring, everything else, and again, the fact that all the appliances are included in the price was pretty significant in my decision.
It's going to enhance the value of the property. It's going to generate income. Eventually, maybe one day, my mother could move into it.
We're looking at long-term leases, hopefully. In addition to that, I know my wife's talked about possibly doing an Airbnb, and I guess there's another option looking at traveling business people, including doctors and nurses, as a possible place to stay temporarily on a monthly basis, but do that on a recurring basis.
So this is for a starting point, family or couples that they don't have kids, or single people, elder people. This is the perfect home for everybody.
It's a great product. I'm very impressed. I was not quite sure because we never saw them in person. We only saw them online. But when you actually get the product, it's very impressive.
Watching it unfold during the installation process was pretty amazing, and the fact that once you did unfold it, how secure it is, that was impressive.
I love mechanics, so to see it come onto the foundation and then to watch it unfold, and the techniques that, it used like a little wheel on the roof to guide the roof closed, and just how everything kind of snapped together was pretty intriguing.
Well, if you're looking for rental income and you want to do something that's quick, easy, and high quality, the Boxabl is the way to go. I did not entertain any other options that I did research on. This was the solution that I went with, and I think anyone that made the same decision are going to be quite happy.
How was having Jordan and Dylan here to assist? What did they bring to the table overall during this process?
They brought everything. They give you calmness. You are secure with them. They know what they're doing. They teach you. They show you how to do it.
They were excellent. They were very knowledgeable, very directing when they needed to be directed, because you're dealing with a giant piece of equipment.
They're very responsive to questions that I had asked, and absolutely felt comfortable with the fact that they know their stuff, and that's comforting when you're dealing with people that know what the heck they're doing.